What is up, y'all? Today is Kamari Jackson. My slime's name is Clear Bubbles because I made it with clear slime and it looks like bubbles but it's clear. So I made it with baking soda, eye contact, and clear glue. It's really easy. Y'all can just make it like right now. So let me get to it. See? I mean, like, it's not really that much stretchy no more because I add some of my brother's hard slime to it. Because I wanted more slime. I know, isn't it wrong? I shouldn't have done that. I think that's karma. So. It's not really that stretchy anymore. So. And I have the camera in my hand, so it's like hard to record it and playing with the slime at the same time. But like, yep, clear bubbles. And if you want me to name it a different one, please comment. It's so beautiful. And I love clear bubbles because it's like my favorite color of slime. Really it is, because clear slime is really, really beautiful. It's just like heaven. That's why I call it clear bubbles. Isn't it pretty? Please subscribe. I will do more slime videos because I do slime all the time, so yeah. I will have a hashtag of slime videos later because my dad, he don't like want me making so much slime, but like he lets me in the garage because we have a giant house. So yeah. Please like, subscribe. That's a closer look of clear bubbles. It looks just like beautiful soap. See? Eye contact solution makes it so clear and pretty. And the glue. I'll do another slime video when I get more glue. I'll make it. Who wants me to make it or show it? Like, if you don't know what I'm talking about, okay. Do you want me to make it at the same time and play with it? Or do you want me to just do the same thing like this and we don't have to talk about it? We could just play with it. Just do that. Ask or comment. Please like, subscribe. Love y'all. Use Kamar's hashtag Amateur Slime. Bye. Love y'all.